everyone, welcome to MasterChef Mom. Advanced Diwali wishes to all my followers and friends. So the minute we think of Diwali, sweets naturally come up in our mind. We are always enthusiastic to enjoy sweets and savories during the festival season. Of course, making sweets involves a little bit of hard work and a lot of ingredients, of course. But there are a few sweets that always feature in our Diwali menu. And today I'm going to share one such delicious, foolproof recipe that has been tried and tested over the years within our family and by all my readers. I'm very happy to share my mother-in-law's recipe for Thengai Burfi, that is coconut burfi. This is the traditional way of making the coconut burfi and it's quite simple too. Let me share an interesting fact about this sweet. All you need are just 4 ingredients. That is the coconut. So this is the coconut which I have taken, 1 full coconut. I have removed the skin, the brown part of the coconut, and I have grinded it in the mixie itself. If you want, you can always use the coconut grinder also. So this is the first ingredient, main ingredient. The next is sugar. And then for flavoring, I'm going to use cardamom. I'm going to use some cashew nuts and ghee. That's it. And your coconut burfi will be ready with just these handful of ingredients. So without delay, let's start cooking. So you need to take a heavy bottom kadai. So I'm going to take a heavy bottom kadai. First, what we're going to do is we're going to melt the sugar. So I'm just keeping the kadai and I'm going to add the sugar. So this is 1/4 cup of sugar or 1 heaped cup of sugar. I'm just adding half a glass of water to it and keep it on low flame. Okay, so while this is melting, let's lightly roast the cashew nuts in ghee, in just a teaspoon of ghee. I'm going to set it aside and also I'm going to just heat the coconut. I'm not going to fry them, just so that any moisture in the coconut that is absorbed, and this helps in the longevity of the coconut burfi. It stays good for a longer time. So this step is important. This is the sugar, just a teaspoon of ghee. I'm going to fry the cashew nuts. So you can do these steps in parallel. So I'm frying the cashew nuts. Adding cashew nuts is optional, but it always gives that extra crunch. Very tasty. You can see that the cashew nut has slightly brown. Just going to remove it. Now, in the same ghee, you add the coconut. Now the coconut should not become brown. So very gently and in very low flame, keep stirring it just for 1 to 2 minutes. So now the extra moisture is absorbed. So I'm just switching off the gas and we'll wait for the sugar to completely melt. So you can see the sugar is melted. No string consistency is required for this burfi. Now I'm going to transfer first I'm going to add the cashew nuts and then I'm going to add the coconut. I'm going to add cardamom powder. Mix it well. See the color? So beautiful. Not only for Diwali, for any festival or puja, you can make this. So I've added cardamom powder. You can see the exact measurements in the description box below. As I said, sugar quantity, if you want to reduce a little bit, you can always reduce. But if you're going to pack this, distribute, then I think the sugar quantity, use this quantity, it works perfectly. Because it helps the coconut burfi stay good for a longer time. So I'm going to keep mixing this till everything comes together without sticking to the sides of the pan. Just a teaspoon or two of ghee. It's come together beautifully. I am switching off the gas and we're going to transfer this to the greased plate. But make the cuts when it is still hot. That's it. Now I'm going to allow it to completely cool down, and then I'll show you how beautifully it has turned out.
Blissful, awesome, ma. I just love coconut burfi. It's my most favorite sweet. My mom used to do regularly when we were growing up, and now Uma does it equally good. Brilliant. In fact, recently my love for burfi got rekindled. Me and Uma visited Siddhi Vinayak in Mumbai, and we bought coconut burfi prasad. After that, this is the third time she's making in the last 1 month. And I'm not complaining. Amazing.
So you saw how easy it was to make the Thengai Burfi or the coconut burfi. So in total it took just around 20 to 25 minutes for me to make the burfi. And you can cut the burfi while it is hot itself, and then you can remove it and make it into smaller pieces in the shapes you like. And it stays very good for at least 5 to 6 days when refrigerated. And it's a great gift too. So I hope you try this recipe, and I'm waiting to hear all your feedback. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking!